In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best 3 ways in which we can pay our mortgage off with our credit card. Now, this is actually a pretty quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important details. So as tempting as it is to be able to earn reward points or miles on your mortgage payment, directly paying your mortgage off with a credit card generally doesn't work. And that's because most mortgage services don't accept credit cards. But don't worry, there are a few workarounds that we can look at, and we may be able to use these to actually pay our mortgage off with our credit card. And the first one of these workarounds is a money order. You see, you can easily use your credit card to purchase a money order, and then you can mail it to a mortgage servicer. This avoids the high fees of third-party services, but it is less convenient and might not be accepted by all lenders. So if you're in the United States, you can head over to USPS and you can check this site here to see if it's possible for you. However, if you're from the UK, you will have to do a postal order, so you can simply head over to the post office website and you can do it this way. Now, the second way in which we can pay our mortgage off with a credit card is via a third-party payment service. Now, this one's called Plastiq, and they have a service called Plastiq Pay, and this allows us to pay for things with our credit card that we can't usually pay for. So by using this service, you'll actually be able to use your credit card to pay your mortgage. However, they do have a hefty fee, and it's usually around 2.9%. So this fee might actually outweigh any rewards that you earn on your credit card, which makes it a less attractive option. But this obviously depends on what percentage you'll get from Plastiq, and it also depends on what sort of rewards you actually get from your credit card. Now, the third and final way is a balance transfer. However, this is a risky strategy, so you're going to have to be careful if you do this. So some credit cards actually allow you to transfer a balance to your bank account, and you can then use those transferred funds to pay your mortgage. However, as I said, this is a risky strategy and there are some drawbacks. To start with, there's high fees. Balance transfers typically come with a high upfront fee, and this can negate any reward benefits. There's also soaring interest rates. Credit card interest payments are significantly higher than mortgage rates, and if you can't pay off the balance immediately, you'll end up paying much more in interest than you would on your mortgage. And the final risk is that there's a credit score impact. Using a large portion of your credit card limit and carrying a balance can actually negatively impact your credit score. So although balance transfer is an option, I would recommend you only do this if you know what you're doing, and you do have to take the risk into account before you go ahead and try this strategy out. Before trying any of these workarounds, you do want to take into account the fees and also the interest rates, as if the fees or interest is too high, it could potentially outweigh the rewards you're going to get, and it basically makes this whole process pointless. So you do want to make sure you go with an option that works well for you. But other than that, these are the top 3 ways in which you can pay a mortgage off with a credit card. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say it did help you out, and also like and subscribe to see some more content like this. Thanks for watching.